Skyway will run as the top choice. Gates open, they're up and racing. Skyway draws for your lead. Tap Dance down on the inside, moving up to take third. Great Care running alongside Dancing Bell, and trailing the group is Sweet Child of Mine. Heading towards the half-mile pole. Now we have Skyway takes up the running by 3/4 of a length lead. Tap Dance down on the inside, trying to get closer in third is Great Care. Then followed by Dancing Bell, and Sweet Child of Mine is still running at the tail of the field. Rounding at the 600 is Skyway, still leading the field. Tap Dance down on the inside and racing in third, Great Care. As the action turns towards the final corner, with Skyway still leading the field. Tap Dance down on the inside, racing in third, Great Care. Sweet Child of Mine, and down the stretch they come. No change with the leader. It's still Skyway. He starts to draw away by about 3 lengths. And finally, the finish line, Mark Angelo Alvarez on Skyway for PCSO Special Maiden Race. Second, Tap Dance, Great Care, Sweet Child of Mine, and Magical Bell.